Morning, my lovely YouTubers. We are in Hornchurch, Essex today, doing this block driveway clean and resand. As you can see, loads of moss, bits of grass growing through the gaps. So yeah, all this has got to come out. Get rid of all this, get the blower on it, tidy it up, get pressure washing. Hope you're all well, guys. Anyway, what a lovely day. Look at the sunshine. Where is it? There it is. Beautiful day. So, just filling the buffer tank up at the moment. And then we are going to get the gear all set up. drainage here. I don't know where the nearest drain is. It's halfway down the road, I think, but never mind. Yeah, so that's what we've got so far. All the clean. Now I'm just gonna give it a nice resound. God, what a bloody tough one that was. God, just finished, guys. So I'm gonna wrap up now, get the tools together. But the weather's been absolutely scorching today. It's been about 26 degrees. So, alright, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, you take care. Take care. Bye bye.